Theory of Database, Lecture number 14. SQL language operators create table, drop table, and alter table. There is our plan. Number 1, operator create table. Number 2, operator drop table. And the number 3, operator alter table. There's our references. Steps in table creation. Number 1, identify data types for attributes. Number 2, identify columns that can and cannot be null. 3, identify columns that must be unique or candidate keys. Number 4, identify primary key, foreign key mates. And number 5, determine default values. Number 6, identify constraints on columns or domain specifications. And finally, number 7, create the table and associated indexes. Create table. The create table command creates a new table in the database. Creating tables. From last lecture, create table, columns, data types, the constraints, primary keys, unique columns, and the foreign keys. Create table, table name, the way column definition, and the table constraint. You can look at it yourselves. Alter table. The alter table command adds, deletes, or modifies columns in a table. The alter table command also adds and deletes various constraints in a table. Changing tables. Sometimes you want to change the structure of an existing table. One way is to drop it when rebuilded. And this is dangerous, so there is a alter table command instead. Alter table can add a new column, remove an existing column, add a new constraint, remove an existing constraint. Altering columns. To add or remove columns, use alter table add column and the alter table and the drop column. Examples. You can look at this yourselves. Altering constraints. To add or remove columns, use alter table add constraint and the alter table and the drop constraint. You can look at these examples. Changing tables. Alter table statement allows you to change column specifications, table actions, and there is an example. Drop table. The drop table command deletes a table in a database. Removing tables. Drop table statement allows you to remove tables from your scheme. Insert statement. Add one or more rows to a table, inserting into a table and inserting a record that has some null attributes requires identifying the fields that actually get data, inserting from another table. Creating tables with identity columns. You can look at this picture, and inserting into a table does not require explicit customer ID entry to or field list. Deleting tables. To delete a table, use drop table, and there is an example. Be careful with any SQL statement with drop in it. You will delete any information in a table as well. You won't normally be asked to confirm, and there is no easy way to undo the changes. Delete statement removes rows from a table, delete certain rows, delete all rows. Update statement modifies data in existing rows. Truncate table. The truncate table command deletes the data inside a table but not the table itself. The following SQL truncates the table group. Truncate table group. There is some questions for you. Number 1, creating tables. Number 2, steps in a table creation. Number 3, operate a function create table. Number 4, operate a function drop table. Number 5, operate a function alter table. Thank you for attention. Назарларыңызға рахмет.